Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting tutorial in which we are going to learn how to blend text with an image. Blending text with an image can help you in creating stunning social media posts, e-flyers, magazine covers, etc. So to get this done, let's dive into Photoshop. So we're here in Photoshop and I've already opened the image that we are going to use. If you want to follow, I've added a link in the description of this video. You can download the image and follow as well. So to begin with, I'm first going to use the object selection tool and make a selection of our lady like this. Click, drag, and then Photoshop will make an automatic selection of her. Now you can go to edit because we need to make a copy, and then go to edit again, paste special, and say paste in place. So we have a copy of her in place. Next, we are going to take our type tool. I'm going to use the bold font for this, the bold font, and I'm going to type the word blends. Then I need to increase the size a bit, so I'm going to use the transform tool or Control T and increase the size. Let me increase it over here. 157, I think 157, yeah, or 158. That's okay. I need to change the text color. No, I think this is okay. And next I need to, I didn't spell blends correctly, so BLENDS like this. I'm going to be referring to the image once in a while to make sure we are on course. Great, so once again, so this goes here like this. This goes up a little bit. Great, so I'm going to make a copy of this layer quickly, Control J, and then put that one beneath the image. And we need to have a copy so that when we go wrong with what we are about to do, we can always come back and make another copy and use. So back to the copy of the text I created, we select the layer, go to layer at the top, and go to Rasterize type. Now it's no more a text layer, but it's a normal rasterized shape layer. Now select the lady we copied, hold down Control and click on her. When you see this, it makes this selection around her. Now go back to the text layer and put your eraser tool. We're going to erase portions of the E like this, just portions of the E within the selection. Control D when you are done to deselect. Then we are done with the first one. Now I'm going to pick the text layer beneath, make another copy, bring that one also to the front, and bring it down like this. can always refer. Okay, and we are going to change the color. So let's change the color first. I'm going to sample the color of a trousers. I think, yeah, this is cool. Click OK. Repeat the process. Go to layer, rasterize type. Hold down Control and select the lady again. And pick your eraser tool. So we're going to wipe out just this portion so that it looks as if her foot is in front of the N. And then, yeah, I think that's cool. If you are done with that, Control D. Now we pick the text layer again, make another copy. Bring that one to in front. And this time, up. Let's check. Okay. Things like this. Now, before we rasterize this layer, we need to make some few changes to how the text looks. So down here we have the FX tool for layer style. So I'm going to add a stroke to the text. The size 4. I think 3 is okay. Make sure the position is on the inside like this. Then you click OK. Next, we need to reduce the fill. So not opacity, you have fill here. Reduce the fill to 0. So we have our transparent text. And I think from here onwards, we can do our rasterize layer. So go to layer, rasterize type. Now we still need to do another rasterize. So we go to layer again, and this time we rasterize the layer style. That's the stroke that we added. So now we can pick our eraser tool and do the selection. Now, but before then, let me differentiate between our layers by adding color. So this I know is for the green text, and then this is for the transparent, so I'll leave that one. And then this one, I right click and I select orange. I know this is for the orange text. So now I'll pick my eraser tool. First, I make a selection of the lady again. Control, click, hold down Control, click, and then we pick our eraser tool. I'm going to zoom in a bit and wipe out. Select the transparent text, and then we run the eraser over portions that need to be behind her. I think the whole, yeah, E, like this. And then let's see what happened to the N and the hand. Okay, the N and the hand was just on it, but let me add some. Okay. Then if you're done, we Control D to deselect. So if you are done, and you can just save it as a JPEG and use it in any of your social media posts, etc. You can try this out on different images as well to see how it comes out. And I think that's it. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Until I meet you in the next tutorial, it's bye.